Your Peugeot is equipped with a system that allows you to view your vehicle's surrounding on the touchscreen, thanks to cameras located on the front and rear of the vehicle, as well as under the exterior mirrors. Depending on the model of your Peugeot, a reversing camera cleaner nozzle is installed on the rear bumper. The rear view is automatically displayed when reverse gear is engaged, the engine is running, and the car is stationary. Once you activate rear view, the field of vision in front of your vehicle is automatically displayed if a gear is engaged, the engine is running, and the vehicle's speed is below 16 kilometers per hour. You can deactivate the screen's camera view by touching the cross in the top left-hand corner of the touchscreen. The screen is separated into 4 zones with 2 lateral menus, a contextual view, and a view above the vehicle in its surrounding environment. The parking assistance sensors supplement the information by providing the view above the vehicle. According to the angle chosen in the left-hand lateral menu, the Visiopark system provides specific visual aid in particular driving conditions, such as entering an intersection with no visibility or maneuvering in low visibility zones. Different views are available for the rear or front. The automatic zoom view appears when approaching an obstacle at the red line within 30 centimeters during maneuvering. This view is only available for automatic display. According to the context, the zone behind or in front of your car is displayed on the screen. The gauge lines in blue at the back and yellow at the front represent the width of your vehicle with its wing mirrors extended. They are oriented according to the position of the steering wheel. The red line represents a distance of 30 centimeters from the front or back bumper. The 2 blue lines at the back and the yellow lines at the front represent a distance of 1 meter and 2 meters, respectively. This view is available for automatic display or manual display when selected in the left-hand lateral menu. The rear or front panoramic views allow you to anticipate the arrival of cars, pedestrians, or cyclists whilst leaving a parking space. This view is not recommended for a full maneuver. It can only be displayed by selecting it in the left-hand lateral menu. The lateral view allows you to view the immediate environment on each side of the vehicle, pavements, low walls, or other parked vehicles. To activate it, select the chosen view in View above the vehicle. In the lateral menu, you can choose the following functions: volume control for the acoustic signal, screen brightness, and screen contrast. The rear traffic alert warns of obstacles such as pedestrians, cyclists, vehicles, lorries, or motorbikes approaching in the vehicle's blind spots. The system detects obstacles moving at over 3 kilometers per hour, at a maximum lateral distance of 40 meters. Reversing speed must be below 10 kilometers per hour. When an approaching obstacle is detected, this symbol flashes on the side the danger is coming from. The symbol is accompanied by an audible signal when the vehicle is reversing. The activation or deactivation of the function is managed in the touchscreen's ADAS application. Attention! The system may not work if a trailer is attached to the vehicle, if a rear-mounted bicycle rack is on the tow rod, in the case of extreme temperature variations, if the rear bumper is damaged, or if the rear bumper is covered in mud, frost, snow, or stickers.